Tasman's Hill.
You can do it. Come on. Saying that. That's it?